Hi, my name is Emilio Palma, and this is my evidence number 1. Well, let's start with the meshes. I already put here I1, I2, I3, and I4. Let's start with the first mesh, that is going to be mesh 1 over here. Let's start with minus plus 30, I1 plus 45, I1 minus I2. This is the first one, so let's simplify. 75, I1 minus 45, I2, and this is going to be equal to 5. Well, let's continue with the super mesh. Super mesh. It's going to be 45 I2 minus I3 plus 74 I2, and it's going to be over here, minus 74, 54 I4, and this is going to be plus 91 I3 equal to 0. Well, we simplify all this and we get that minus 45 I1 plus 91 I2 plus 91 I3 minus 54 I4. It's going to be equal to 0. So after that we can do this I3 minus I2. This is going to be equal to the quarter we have here, and this is going to be like an equation, to say it like equation number 3. To finish here, we have the first mesh number 4. It's going to be 9 plus 4 equal to minus is going to be equal to 0, and this is going to be 9 plus 54 I4 minus 54. It's going to be equal to 0, and this is going to be minus 54 I2 plus 54 I4, and this is going to be equal to minus 9. Well, let's continue with this part. I already wrote the eyes, so it leaves me time to work, to do some other work. So let's start. First of all, we have this, so we're gonna show how do I take that. First, I take this equation that I already have to put it in the matrix calculator. Well, the first one is going to be 75 I1 minus 45 I2 is going to be equal to 5. This is the first one. The second one is going to be minus 45 I1 plus 99 I2 plus 91 I3 minus 54 I4, that is going to be equal to 0. The other one we have is this one. It's going to be I3 minus I2. It's going to be a quarter of ampere, or 0.25. However, it's correct. The final one is going to be 55 minus, well, let's put it like this so don't get confused. Minus 54 I2 plus 54 I4 is going to be equal to minus 9. So here we have this. So after we can calculate now the, let me show you how I take this. I use this matrix calculator. So here are the answers that I put over there. I put this in the calculator because all the results I got over there. Well, let's continue with the Bx. Well, the Bx, I put it here. It's going to be the R2, the I1 minus the I2. So now how do we get this? Here we have the R2, so we're going to use, we're not going to use R2, we're going to use 45. That's going to be amperes, but now we're not looking about with that notation. I1 minus I2, it's going to be 0. So with this we get that the Bx is going to be 7.75 volts. This is the first answer. After we can calculate the BRA, that is going to be BRA, is going to be to RA I3. So what's that? If we are going to use the RA, that is going to be, it's equal to 91 minus 3 over 2, 218. So with this, you get a value of 1.25 volts minus. We have an I here of 0. That's a quarter. So let's get the power. That is going to be P. It's equal to 1 E. So here we have that, and it's going to be P is equal to -1.5 for 0.25. So this is how we get the power. That is going to be 0.31 watts. And this is the final